Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our Dart programming language course. I hope you all are fine. Our previous tutorial was about encapsulation. Now in today's tutorial we are going to discuss what are getter and setter. Getter is used to get the value of a property. It is mostly used to access a private property's value. Getter provide explicit read access to an object properties. And setter is used to set the value of a property. It is mostly used to update a private property's value. Setter provide explicit write access to an object properties. Now basically getter and setter are used to get and set private properties of a class. Let me open VS Code and show you practically. First of all, let me create a class person and we are going to create a file here person. Here we will create class person like this. For example, our person class has two properties, name and age, int age like this. For example, both properties are private. Let me use private underscore before variables to make them private. Now our name and age are private properties. Now in this class we will create getter and setter. Basically getter and setter are functions. First of all let me create setter because they are a function. First of all we need to give data type because in case of setter we are going to set the value, that is why there is no return type. After that we will use keyword set, and after that we can use function name, our setter name. So in our case we will create two setter, one for name and other for age. The setter for name will be name, and inside we will pass parameter string name like this. This is same like function you can see here, and simply we can assign value this dot private name. This is very simple. Same like this we can create another setter for our age. Void set age int age like this. This dot age is equal to age. Now our setters are ready. Let me use it in our main function. First of all we need to import our file, our library, import person dot, and here we will create person object of person class person like this. Now we can access both setters person dot name. You can see we can access name. Here we can assign values. For example, this is name. You can see here this is very interesting. You can see our name is a function. Here you can see our setter name is a function. But here you can see we are going to assign a value like variable. This is very interesting, and we cannot pass value like this. If you see here, we cannot pass like this because this is a setter. This is not a normal function. This is setter function. So we can assign value like this. This is the benefit of setter. Same like this we can assign value to age integer like this. Now we will create a getter in order to print values, to get values. These two are the setters for name and age. Here we will create getter. First of all we will create getter for name because type of variable name is string. That is why here type of getter will be string, and here we will use get keyword get, and we will use name like this. So this is a function, and here we can return our name, this dot name like this. Now we will create getter for age because age is an integer. That is why we will use here int as a return type, and here we will use get keyword and here age, and we can return simply this dot age like this. Now here if we need to print name and age, simply we can print name person dot name, and here we can print age person dot age like this. Now if I run the program, you can see it is working properly. So this is the benefit of getter and setter. If you see here, our private properties are name and age. But here outside this class or file, we don't know the properties of person. We only know getter and setter information. So this is the benefit of getter and setter. We can also use getter and setter as a arrow function. Let me show you. For example, this is our setter of name. We can use here arrow function like this. And simply we can assign this dot name is equal to name. So it will take only one line. Same like this we can use for age. This dot age is equal to age. And same for getter. Here we can simply return this dot name. Or we can only use name without this. Here you can remove this. Same like this we can use for age underscore age. So here if you want to remove this, you can also remove it. If you are confused with this keyword, that this keyword used only when we have two variables with same name. Here you can see our private properties are with underscore, but our parameter properties are without underscore. So variable names are not same. That is why we don't need to use this keyword. But if you want to use, there is no problem. Let me test it again. You can see there is same output. So this is the use of getter and setter. If you have any problem or any question, you can ask in comment box or you can contact me directly on WhatsApp. Okay, good luck.